Hey, welcome back to Money Mike. Today we are going to do another video. I'm gonna wear my wet, and we're gonna open this big mystery box. And I'm gonna give these away for free in my neighborhood. I'm just gonna give away these. I'm gonna give away these and this EX. It's in my neighborhood. And I'm donating and I'm giving them to my best friend, Logan Schaefer. Let's see, let's open this. Oh, kind of good. So we got a few tattoo bracelet. Put it on the other hand. And we got this crown. Maybe I could wear on my 250th video. And we got two of these egg figures. Two of these. And we got this notebook. We got this Disney book. How nice. Oh, what the heck? Dude, look what we just got. Look at this. Get a little good look. Okay. This would be our friend right here. Ugh. If I can make it stand. Ugh. Okay, here it is. That's awesome. Even we got a Batman figure. Look at this. Put those off to the side. We got a bouncy frog. Here. See if we can jump. Ugh. Okay, let's try this out. That wasn't pretty good. Got this Reggie steel. Some tape, maybe for craft. Got a pen. Pretty nice. So, what else we got was this giant thing. I'm like a jumbo card. Okay, this was a short video. Okay, the next one might be long, it might be short. I hope you enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up and subscribe.